Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to tonight's free video for the futures markets here. Let's take a look at the S&Ps here, see kind of what we've got, and if we make sense of this. So yesterday we did the video looking for this this volatility on the debate and maybe some spillover into today. All right. And what I'm getting at is really not much, and honestly not much. And yesterday we were looking for this thing to trade down to about 36 right in here, and what 36 is, I think I mentioned last night, was where, yeah, I did, where the Fed was on the last meet. It traded down to 32 and up to 46. Well, so did today. It traded about down to 32 and up to 46. And then a little bit of push in the latter part of the afternoon, but really not much today. But watch this. Let me show you something and make a point. Here was your calendar today, and you can see there's not much there. We had consumer confidence today. There's not a lot on there. All we had today was regular tight range trade, a little bit of spillover from, I don't know, I guess last night, the debate or whatever. But that changes tomorrow. Okay, so there is some potential for some catalyst here for price movement tomorrow. So I want to point this out, bring it to your attention, make sure you're aware of what all you've got on tap for tomorrow. There's more than enough here to make a difference. You've got some UK overnight. You got durable goods in the morning. You've got Yellen testifying. You've got some Fed speak. You got ECB's Draghi. You got crude inventories, and you got more Fed speak. And by the way, I think there are a total of 11 Fed speakers this week, and in excess of 19 or 20 econ events this week. So there's enough here to make a difference. We talked about this early, Monday, looking at the calendar, and we said, well, if you get a break, if there is a break, then Tuesday is your break. But it all starts again on Wednesday, and that's tomorrow, okay? And you can see what I mean by that. We've got a lot going on here. And then you look at Thursday, and there's plenty going on Thursday and Friday as well. So Tuesday was your maybe your day off, counter trend, choppy, sideways, type of trade today. And but now today's behind us. That doesn't really matter. What is tomorrow, and that's what we're looking at here. There's not a lot. There's not a lot really to go on here. Here. Here's what's amazing about this whole thing too. We're still trading. Today included. We're still trading inside of that last Monday's range. Really pretty amazing stuff. Now, there is this potential, all this could change, and it doesn't matter what I think or say tonight, given the amount of stuff that's on the calendar starting tomorrow. Anything can happen. You see Yellen testify, but she's been obviously pretty dovish, and there's some other Fed speak, and there's Draghi, and there's a couple of few things. So there's chance for this to go really kind of either way. But I still like, basically, here are the levels. Okay, you've got about a 70-ish level here, and you've got a 2025, really. I think the actual number is 23, but we'll say 2025 level there. And that really confines the majority of this crazy choppy sideways trade. And the most important level, it appears as such, and this is something Tony gave us in the trade room, is right there in the middle, and it's 2145. Okay, so the outer limits appear to be 70, 75 up here and 23 down here. So we'll say 20, 25 down there, and 45, right in the middle. I personally would really like an opportunity to buy this thing a little cheaper down here for the next leg higher, but I cannot get wound up about that until we can see a close. Honestly, even better, ideally, would be two closes below that 2145 level. With that, you'll target 2120 and 2080 down here would be the couple of targets that I'd be looking for the bounce. Right now, we're stuck right in the middle, and what a lot of folks, it appears, in the trading room were doing today was looking for selling premium opportunities on the outer edges out here, given the fact that we do bid higher and we break for lower, but we seem to come right back into the middle. So look at that. Consider these levels: 2120 and 21, call it 70 up here. Imagine the 50 points in the middle and sell the premium outside on the edges. You can actually put a condor, an iron condor type of an idea on, and selling the premium on both sides of this and watching it just revert to the mean and come right back into the middle there. Okay, that's the best I got for you right now, because it, even if I had, if I said, okay, I really feel strongly about, this direction or that, it doesn't matter with the news that's in front of us for the tomorrow and for the remainder of the week. We need to see how the market responds to that. Okay, and you can look around, you can see the treasuries. I have to cover a lot of that in the premium video, but the treasuries actually did something really important today. Crude is doing something pretty important based on some comments that are going on around the OPEC members meeting in Algiers. So there's some clues. I'm gonna get to that here in just a minute in the premium video, but consider this idea for the free video for tonight, and that is the observation with the day off today, the news starting tomorrow, the outer edges here, and the fact that you might consider selling the premium on the outside edges for the reversion back to the mean in the form of like an iron condor type of a premium selling opportunity. So I hope this helps. You guys have a good trade, nice evening, and look forward to being with you again at the next update. Until then, good night.